this video, I will be showing you how to make admin in Facebook page. So all you have to do is to open your Facebook and then switch to your Facebook page. As you can see, I'm currently switching to my Chick Style Boutique. And here you have to tap this three lines and then tap this gear icon. Or you can scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Tap settings. And then here, what you're going to do next is you have to look for page setup. Okay, so scroll down till you see this page setup right here. And as you can see, you have options. But what you're going to tap here is the page access. Tap this one. And you will see here people with Facebook access. You have to click this add new. And then what you're going to do next is to look for the name that you wanted to add as an admin to your page. So click next. And then on the search bar, you just have to look for the name of that person. It could be your second account, your friend, or family member. So I'm going to add here my second account, which is the Alexa Brook. And then after that, click search. Then you will see here the result or some results of Alexa Brook. So you have to make sure that you have added the correct one. Okay, after that, add review. Toggle on this allow this person to also have full control. So once done, what you're going to do next is to click Give Access. Once you tap this, you have to enter your password. So for security purposes, you have to enter it. And then after that, you have to click Confirm. Then you have to wait till this person accepts this invitation. Okay, so it will expire in 30 days. So that's how easy it is to make someone or add someone as an admin in Facebook page. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.